Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva for beginners. So here I've already opened the canva.com, and if you want to use Canva, you can see in here. You can select the size that you want. If you want to create docs, for example, for presentation or for the social media needs like Instagram, TikTok, or other social media. You can also choose if you want to create videos, you can find it in here. But if you want to create a custom size design, you can tap on this, or you can also upload a pre-created design. Okay, so here if you want to edit your profile, you can click on this, and then here you can go to settings, and if you want to join the Canva Pro. So if you want to subscribe to the Canva Pro, you can go to the settings in here, and after that you can just here click on billing and plans, and then choose the plans that you want here. Okay, so let's see on homepage. This is the design that you can choose the size. So you can see also there is some designs in here. If you want to continue your unfinished project, you can just click on this. You can also see the project that you save in here. You can find the templates on the left panel in here, and if you upload your brand, like a brand phone or maybe brand images or others, you can just upload it in here. The brand kits you can upload in here, and also see the brand kit here. So I'm going to start for example creating a design. I'm going to just use a template, so you can go to the templates tab in here and find the template size that you want. There are doc, whiteboard, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram story, logo, and others. So I'm going to just use the stories here. So just scroll down and find the one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Click on this and customize this template. So this is the template. If you want to edit it with your own photo, you can just click on this and then find the photo that you want to replace it with. You can delete this first and then add the new photo. For example, here I'm going to use this photos right here. Let's say just resize it to how you like it and put it to where you want to. And on the left panel in here, you can also see the design. This is where the template is. If you want to change the template, just click on design. You can also add elements like shape, stickers, also photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frame, or extra. You can also use this draw feature to draw, and if you want to upload a video or photo from the library, you can click on uploads and choose the upload files. And the apps in here is where the Canva tool be. So there are lots of Canva tools that you can use for your design. And if you want to create a design from scratch, you can just go to the Canva homepage, and here click on the create a design. Then here choose the size, or you can also use the custom size. Here, for example, I'm going to just use this one. So when you do that, a blank canvas will be open like this, and you can start creating your design. So that's basically it, the Canva basic how-to. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.